Kalbarri National Park is located 485 north of Perth in the Midwest region of Western Australia. The major geographical features of the park include the Murchison River Gorge, which runs for nearly 80 km on the lower reaches of the Murchison River. Spectacular coastal cliffs are located on the coast near the mouth of the Murchison River and the town of Kalbarri. Kalbarri National Park preserves the inland desert regions of red and white-striped Tumblegoda sandstone east of the town of Kalbarri, particularly the lower reaches of the Murchison River and its gorge, as well as the mouth of the river by Minara Hill. The western edge of the park protects the coastline south of the town, which features cliffs more than 100 m high. The coastal area contains several wind and water-eroded rock formations, including a sea stack and a natural bridge. The park is open all year round, though temperatures can be extremely high from December through April. The park lies in the northernmost limits of the transition zone between a Mediterranean and a semi-arid climate. Winters are warm with moderate precipitation. Summers are hot and dry with temperatures that frequently exceed 40 C in the inland part of the park. Inland areas can often be more than 10 C higher than along the coast and in town. Monthly precipitation levels are low, with most rain falling from May through August. Heavy rainfalls may cause the roads to the gorge to be closed. The Kalbarri area is known for its diversity and extent of wildflowers. More than 800 species of wildflowers bloom from late winter through early summer, with peak times in August and September. 21 plant species are found only in the coastal cliff tops and gorge country, predominantly in the national park. One of the best-known local plants is the Kalbarri catspaw, a small yellow or red plant that is usually seen on recently burnt country from August to September. Several orchids can only be seen in and near the park, including the Kalbarri spider orchid and the Murchison hammer orchid. The small-petaled birrea or short-petaled birrea. The population in the park is one of only 3 known populations. The park area has observation records for about 200 different animal species in the interior of the park along the Murchison River. More than 400 species have been recorded near the coast and around the town of Kalbarri. The threatened Tammar wallaby was observed previously in the area, but not lately. Approximately 150 bird species have been observed, including the emu, osprey, wedge-tailed eagle, and Australian pelican. Some of the recorded mammal species in the interior include the western gray kangaroo, short-beaked echidna, and spinifex hopping mouse. The only observed bat in the park is the Finlayson's cave bat. The recorded reptile species include the thorny devil. The only observed amphibian is Ginther's toadlet. About 30 different arthropods have been recorded, including a dragonfly called the Pilbara tiger and the Savannah black tree ant. The most popular activities are sightseeing, boating, fishing, pitchhiking, and bushwalking. Other activities include abseiling in the gorge and horseback riding, as well as scuba diving, snorkeling, surfing, and swimming in the Indian Ocean at Red Bluff Beach and the small beach at Pot Alley. From Kalbarri there are scenic cruises along the Murchison River and flights over Kalbarri National Park. Construction of the 2 Kalbarri ski walk platforms are now completed and offer expansive views of the Murchison River Gorge and Kalbarri National Park. There are no campsites or other accommodations, and no water available within the park boundaries. All overnight visitors must use the facilities in the town unless they are on a multi-day bushwalk or boat tour. Coastal part, starting from the town of Kalbarri and moving south. Inland part, along the Murchison River Gorge. Murchison River Gorge. View through nature's window. Z-bend, sharp meander of the river. Lechnostoches areobatria. Quoia oldfieldi. Verticordia menadilpha. Silimulum angustifolium.